A fun fact about me is that I'm Native American. My purpose today is to inform you about myself. By learning a little about me, you will have a better idea of my motivation for taking this course, which will in turn help you provide feedback tailored to my needs. I will begin by discussing some of my personal facts, then describe my experience with online courses, college courses, and include my thoughts about public speaking. With our roadmap in place, let's begin with personal facts. There are 3 personal facts that I'd like you to know about me. First, my given name is Carla E. Sharp, but I prefer to be called Carla. I was born in Jacksonville, Florida, and now currently live in Tacoma, Washington. My second occupation is I'm a paraeducator out at Chief Leschi Schools, which I assist the lead teacher in the classroom, and I've been there for 13 years. Third, when I have free time, I like to spend time with my family and decorating cakes. With my personal facts covered, let's move on to education. My experience with online education includes 6 college courses. I take classes online because I teach during the day. My experience so far with online education has been that you have to motivate yourself and keep going to stay to the deadlines professors have given you. Now that you know about my experience with online education, let me explain how I feel about public speaking. I have 3 specific thoughts about public speaking. To begin, when I talk in public, I sometimes get anxiety because if I don't know the large group of people, I feel like they will judge me. In addition, I am taking public speaking because it is required to go on to get my BA in teaching. I want to get more comfortable speaking in public so that I can start helping my native nation stand up for what they believe in. Finally, what I hope to gain from this course is that I will learn to control my anxiety in large groups of people. In conclusion, let's get busy and start capturing our beliefs and our way we walk in life. Let's review what you've learned today about me. First, you've learned some personal facts, such as I prefer to be called Carla. In my free time, I like to spend time with my family and decorating cakes. Next, you've learned that I've taken 6 college courses online, and that my experience so far with online education is motivation helps you succeed. Finally, you've learned some thoughts about public speaking, include when I talk in public, I sometimes get anxiety because if I don't know the large group of people, I feel like they will judge me. What I hope to gain from this course is that I want to learn how to control my anxiety talking to large groups of people. As a Native American, I need to learn to stand up for what I believe in. My people, and with taking this course, I believe I will learn to speak out for my nation. I also look forward to working with everyone in this class. Thank you. Wait.